Deep in mossy crevices, on icy mountaintops, and even in the blistering heat of volcanoes, there exists a creature so small it can't be seen with the naked eye. Yet this tiny organism possesses abilities that rival the most imaginative superpowers. Meet the tardigrade, an unassuming micro-animal that has mastered the art of survival in ways no other creature on Earth can match. When life throws insurmountable challenges at most living beings, extreme heat, freezing cold, or even the vacuum of space, survival seems impossible. But not for the tardigrade. Faced with catastrophic conditions, this tiny creature activates its ultimate defense, cryptobiosis. In this state, the tardigrade undergoes a remarkable transformation, losing almost all the water in its body and curling into a compact, desiccated ball called a ton. It then produces a sugar-like substance called trehalose, which stabilizes its cells and protects them from damage caused by environmental extremes. Heat that would cook most organisms, cold that would freeze cells into brittle shards, and radiation levels that would obliterate DNA, none of these can penetrate the tardigrade's protective cocoon. In this cryptobiotic state, the tardigrade essentially halts time. Its metabolism stops, its biological processes slow to near zero, and it waits. It could wait for days, years, or even decades. But as soon as the environment becomes hospitable again, when water returns, temperatures stabilize, or radiation dissipates, it rehydrates, unfurls its tiny body, and resumes life as if nothing ever happened. Scientists have tested these incredible creatures in some of the harshest environments imaginable. In 2007, tardigrades were sent into outer space aboard the International Space Station. Exposed to the vacuum of space, with no oxygen, no pressure, and intense cosmic radiation, they defied all expectations. Not only did they survive, but many also reproduced after returning to Earth, completely unscathed by their interstellar adventure. In another experiment, tardigrades were frozen at temperatures as low as -328 degrees Fahrenheit, or -200 degrees Celsius, for decades. When thawed, they sprang back to life, as if waking from a long nap. These experiments prove that tardigrades aren't just survivors. They are time travelers of a sort, capable of pressing pause on life and waiting out even the most hostile conditions. Their resilience is rooted in their biology. Trehalose acts as a molecular scaffold, preventing their cells from collapsing during desiccation. They also produce unique proteins called DSUP, which shield their DNA from radiation damage. These proteins are so effective that scientists are exploring their potential use in human cells, with exciting implications for radiation therapy and long-term space travel. Additionally, tardigrades possess remarkable DNA repair mechanisms, allowing them to recover from damage that would be fatal to most organisms. These minuscule creatures, averaging just 0.5 millimeters in length, offer profound insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. If tardigrades can survive the vacuum of space, could life exist in similarly harsh environments on other planets or moons? Moreover, their biology could inspire advancements in biotechnology, such as preserving human organs for transplantation or developing methods to protect astronauts from cosmic radiation. Despite their microscopic size, tardigrades are a testament to life's tenacity and adaptability. They've been around for over 500 million years, surviving mass extinctions, ice ages, and asteroid impacts. They've outlived dinosaurs, weathered the rise and fall of continents, and may very well outlast us. The secret superpowers of tardigrades remind us that even the smallest creatures can hold the greatest mysteries. They are nature's ultimate survivors, proving that life's most enduring strength lies not in size or strength, but in resilience, ingenuity, and adaptability.